Guys, welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. We've had some selling this week in equities. We'll take a look at that. We had a great day yesterday with the yen pairs, right? Really good trading yesterday in the yen pairs. We did have some selling in the yen pairs today, so most of those trades closed, all right? So we'll take a look at, we'll start with big picture. We want to make sure that everything is holding firm, all right, as far as big picture, okay? All right. So, guys, the Dow pulled, retraced a bit. This on the weekly time frame here, all right? So, weekly time frame, the Dow was right up here for the week, retraced, all right, made a high of about 43,000, retraced, trading at 42,374. So, a bit of a retracement on the weekly time frame on the Dow. Not a major concern yet, okay? All green candles, but we needed to just hold above this near-term support right here, all right? On the monthly time frame on the Dow, again, you can see that retracement here in this candle right here, all right? Again, not a major concern yet, but we are keeping an eye on the markets, okay? The S&P, all right, a bit of a pullback, no major concern, still over 5,000, so 5,800 on the S&P. Weekly time frame, monthly time frame looks really good, all right? Holding monthly time frame right here. On the NASDAQ, NASDAQ is holding right at resistance, guys. Now, this is a concern. If the NASDAQ doesn't break out of this resistance right here, if it pulls back, that might be a concern, all right? Not that we'll be in a correction, okay? We do have a really good trend line, right? Where this is where the NASDAQ came before and pulled up, came here, right? Right on that moving average, followed through, same here. So not a major concern, but it is hanging around that resistance right here on the weekly time frame. And it is breaking out on the monthly time frame with the buy signal right here, on a break of the high right here on the NASDAQ. All right, monthly looks really good here, okay? The Russell, guys, we've talked about the Russell, that it really needs to break through that resistance. That's small caps and mid cap stocks. Remember, S&P, NASDAQ, those are large cap stocks, Bullmaster Pro. All right, Russell, right here, small caps, stock boss, still struggling to break through resistance here. Goes back all the way to 2021. Okay, so here we are, a bit of a pullback for the week. So we closed right here at 219 for the high for the week, 225. But the important thing is it's not breaking through that resistance here, just holding for now. On the monthly time frame, all right. Oh, hold on, guys. You guys not seeing this. All right, sorry about that. On the monthly time frame, guys, here we are. All right, so on the weekly time frame on the Russell, all right, on the Russell weekly time frame, here we are. Monthly time frame, here we are. All right, again, we need to break through that resistance. If it retraces back to that trend line, that's not good for the Russell, okay? So we need to break through very strong resistance here. Now, we are in the fourth quarter. We are in the buying season, okay? So that's good for equities, but we need to break through those resistance levels, okay? The VIX, big picture on the VIX monthly time frame, we're at 19, okay? So we do have higher volatility than usual. We need that volatility to be around right down here, guys, 12, 13, right in that area here. 19 is high. Remember, 20, all right, if it gets above 20, that's when we start to see volatility really increase. Like here, right? Volatility increased here, volatility increased here, 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 here. Okay, so we don't need a lot of volatility. 19, right, 1908 right here, that's concerning, and it's not going lower. All right, it's hanging around that 20, resistance level right here. Okay, so we need that number to come on down. Low volatility is good for equities. Okay. All right. The Magnificent Seven, Tesla, all right, had a great gap up today. No, we don't have a buy signal in Tesla. We had a sell signal right here, right at around 212, but it gapped up today, guys. Big gap up, all right, all the way to 260. What did it close at? Is that 260? Big move in Tesla. Now we have is close right at the resistance here, guys. Right at that resistance here. If it breaks through, we'll get a buy signal. No, Tesla likes to gap up and gap down. All right. If you guys look here, gapped up here. All right. Gap down here. Gap down here. Gap up here. Boy, it loves to gap. All right. Gapped up here. Gapped up here. Gap down here. Gap down here. Look at that. And then gapped up here. And I think in here, it also gapped down. All right. So at the open, loves to gap down and gap up at the open. Okay. So just be aware of that. And it's stuck between support and resistance here, tight range here. Okay. So just be aware of that, guys. Just be aware of that. Okay. With Tesla, not very good trading. We've got to get it past resistance and start trending higher. Okay, Amazon consolidating, has a buy signal, but still trading below resistance right here. That is a concern for the Mag 7, all right, that they're not fully breaking out. Some are, but not most of them. Meta, Facebook gave a sell signal today. All right, so sell signal today on Facebook, Meta, all right? Just keep an eye on that. If it starts getting back to previous resistance, become support, that will be a concern, okay? NVIDIA has been doing well, all right? So buy signal here, broke out, but retraced a bit, okay? We need it to continue to move higher. And most of these tech stocks are following NVIDIA, okay? Now, it has broken out, but guys, if you look here, right, we have a high here, and here we are at that high. These stocks can come on back down, okay? So we're not out of the woods yet with these moves, especially the Mag 7. Microsoft, look here, right, in a tight range here also. Google also, all right, in a tight range, okay? So we just want to be careful. We've had a big run already for the year. And although we've got buy signals on the daily time frames, they're not breaking out, right? Even the small caps are not breaking out. So small caps are not breaking out in a big way. All right, and mega caps, large caps are not breaking out in a big way. All right, Google, look here, guys, a tight consolidation, absolutely nothing here, okay? And then Apple, let's take a look at Apple, same thing here, okay? So no breakouts, guys, in these, right, large caps, mega caps, and we need these stocks, right? So we need, if small caps are not moving, we need large caps to move. All right. So one or the other. Ideally, we need both. Okay, but neither are moving right now. They're not breaking out. Okay. All right. Just keep that in mind. Bitcoin at 68,000. Really trying to get past resistance here. A key area to look for in Bitcoin will be, I would say, 70, 72, 73,000. That's when we'll know we're getting past sellers here, okay? On Bitcoin, this is the weekly time frame, a lot of consolidation. We've talked about this before, all right? So if you're trading cryptocurrencies, you know, we can use Bitcoin as a barometer, okay? So if you're trading crypto, boy, you've had a difficult time, all right? So just be careful with that market. Lots of consolidation all year long. All of 2024, right? We've been stuck in a tight, very tight range with Bitcoin and most of the cryptocurrencies out there. Okay, so be careful. The dollar index, we are breaking out, okay? Cut right here, just held on the trend line, holding right here. Big candle this week here, this white candle here, all right? For the month rather, and we could possibly get a green candle. I thought we did have a green candle, and now it's turned white, so prices come down a bit in the dollar index, all right? But we want to see the dollar index, right, break out to the upside, okay? That will help the dollar pairs. Pound yen, all right? Pound yen, guys, look at pound yen. All right, green candles coming in. We're breaking near-term resistance. Next target on pound yen, and the yen pair should follow, is the high channel here. So the high of the channel here, this upward trend line. Let's remove this line here. So next target all the way up here, pound yen. And we are breaking out on the monthly time frame too with pound yen. So keep an eye on your yen pairs. I know a lot of them closed, guys. Yesterday was a great day. All right. We had a few pairs that were over 100 pips, 100% profit, but they've closed. But don't give up on that trade. Okay. So pound yen monthly time frame. Here we are breaking out here. The yen keeps moving lower. That will help pound yen and the yen trades in Monster Scalper. Bonds are moving lower. Gold, all right? So gold, guys, on the weekly time frame, all right? A bit of a pullback, but still holding at 27.47 in gold. Just an amazing trade in gold. On the monthly time frame, look at that, guys. Every single month, we've been making higher lows. Buy signal on the monthly time frame came in right here at $2,300. Here we are at 27. Higher highs, higher lows, just big candles. All right, big moves in gold. Monthly time frame. On the daily time frame, let's take a look. On the daily time frame, we are slowing a bit. Okay, buy signal came in on the break of resistance right here, guys, right here. And that buy signal came in at 2,500, trading at 27. We have purpose support and resistance. Keep an eye on that, okay? All right, keep an eye on that. 60-minute time frame. Let's take a look. 60-minute time frame, that buy signal closed. So those of you who trade gold intraday, right? Buy signal here, sell signal red candles. So nothing to do there, okay, guys? So we should be out intraday, nothing there. Quick look at 30-minute time frame. We probably have a sell signal too. Yep, sell signal on the 30-minute. So smaller time frames, just be careful. Daily time frame, still holding, but again, purpose support and resistance means the price is overbought. Okay, it's overbought. Doesn't mean it can't move higher. All right, we do have all green candles, but it is overbought. Silver, perhaps a better price, right? Rather than gold, not as expensive. Buy signal here and is holding firm on the weekly time frame. Let's make sure gold is back on the weekly. Weekly time frame for gold. Okay, perfect here. All right, silver, let's try a daily time frame. Find an entry. Daily time frame moved up quite a bit already. Let's see here, 60-minute time frame. All right, so 60-minute time frame, no buy signal. The previous buy signal closed for silver. All right, so buy signal here, sell signal. All right, you could wait for the next buy signal on silver there. Okay, great breakout in silver. And let's go to, all right, Forex tracker. We are seeing selling coming in, guys, in the yen pairs. Okay, so we got selling on the 60-minute time frame. So most of those trades that we had yesterday on the 60-minute time frame on the yen pairs should have closed. Okay, we'll go through those in a minute. We have selling in the Aussie and Kiwi pairs. See here. All right. and dollar pairs are up. What could happen, guys? The dollar index is moving higher. You guys can see the dollar index here. Okay, what could happen? Now, currently the dollar is down, but what could happen is this. All right, we could see where these dollar pairs, buyers start coming in these dollar pairs, and then Aussie, New Zealand, Kiwi, and yen pairs could start moving lower. Okay, all right. Now, I'm not saying that will happen, but it could happen. All right. If that happens, then we could see selling come in the equity markets. As far as volatility, all right, so we got good volatility on the daily time frame in Forex. All right, on the 240, all right, we've got more buyers coming in, more volatility coming in, about 60% volatility, and on the 60-minute time frame, we've got decent volatility there. All right. Hey, Solomon, welcome. Hey, Mohammed, welcome, welcome. All right. Let's see. All right. So, Mohammed, to contact me directly, if you look here, just send me an email right here, david@monstertradingsystems.com, or the website. There are links on the website to contact me directly, and my phone number is there also. All right, you can send a text anytime, okay? So thanks for being here, okay? All right, let's see here. I'm always available, guys. I am always available. Sectors. Telecom still the main leading sector, guys. Telecom right here. All right, but we are seeing some slowing in equities, all right? Gold, industrials, utilities, communication services, financials, all right? So just slowing a bit, all right? Let's see, home builders give a sell signal. So slowing a bit, and we always want to keep an eye on the sectors when they're slow. In healthcare, we've got a sell signal, okay? All right, you're welcome, you're welcome. Sell signal on healthcare. Tech, just holding, right? Materials, basic materials, holding. All right, we would like to see better price action, guys, with equities, okay? Not a major concern yet, but with the dollar moving higher, and sometimes you guys know I'm all over the place, right? We're looking at so many different things. If this happened, this would happen. If and so there's a lot going on. But just know that if, hey Betty, welcome. Haven't seen you in a while, Betty. Welcome, welcome, Betty. All right, so just keep an eye on these things, these big macro moves, okay? These big macro moves, always want to pay attention, okay? All right, so there's a lot happening under the surface of the market, right? Sometimes things look great, but underneath, right, we don't have a lot of strength, okay? And we're not seeing a lot of strength in equities right now, okay? We're not seeing a lot of strength. Things are moving up slowly, but not a lot of buying underneath by the big institutions, big hedge funds, okay? So that's always a concern. All right. The S&P on the daily time frame, we still have a buy signal holding on the S&P, right? S&P looks good, okay? All right, so we still have buying there on the S&P. On the NASDAQ, on the daily time frame, which is where we look for signals for the markets on the daily time frame. All right, on the NASDAQ, right, we have resistance here, guys. So we need to break through that resistance. That is a concern there, okay? We're not breaking through. And we've been at that resistance, right? What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 days, so 10 business days, that's about 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks without breaking through on the NASDAQ, okay? So, all right, we want to pay attention to that price action, okay? So that we're not surprised by any of these moves, okay? The Dow, hold on one second here, guys. DIA. All right. All right. On the Dow, guys, a bit of a pullback here. Now, we have resistance here. The goal is to stay above this resistance level here, okay? See how close we are, guys? We're not that far, all right? So, I'm not saying we can't trade equities, but just be careful. The US 30 made a big move lower today, all right? So, and the Russell, the IWM, the Russell, guys, failing to stay above resistance. So not only on the daily time frame, these indexes are not breaking through these resistance levels, the Magnificent Seven stocks are not breaking through. That says a lot, guys, okay? And even the IWM, the Russell, they're not breaking through, okay? All right, so they need to be breaking through. We need that. As far as the sectors, we looked at the sectors. Look here, we've got more selling coming in the sectors. Some are neutral here. These are up. All right, we need to see more buying come in. All right, we need to see more buying come in these sectors. We were all the way down here. We had buying all the way down here, guys. I think we had only, what was it, energy. That was down. Now energy is up, and we have more sectors that are down. Okay, so bottom line, we just need to pay close attention. Okay, especially equities. Current positions. Let's go through current positions in Monster Scalper. Great day yesterday. Hopefully you guys took advantage of the yen long moves. Okay, let's go through these. Okay, so long positions in Monster Scalper, great trades we had that closed. So USD SGD, buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Red candle came in here, sell signal, close your trade, please. USD SGD on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, so let's get rid of that. All right, so USD DKK, another good trade. All right, guys, the best trades going on right now were dollar long and yen long. Okay, buy signal here, USD DKK, and really good trading. Previous trade did well. Buy signal here on the break of resistance, sell signal, right? Close the trade, please. USD DKK. All right, dollar Swiss, buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade. Dollar Swiss, not a very good trade there. USD SEK, buy signal here, break of this resistance, broke support right here, red candle, we've got to close the trade. So USD SEK, close the trade, please. All right, USD CNH, not a dollar pair. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance, not quite a break there. All right, broke support right here, red candle, right, white arrow here, close the trade here. This was a good trade here. All right, so we're out of dollar pairs long. No shorts, guys, no shorts yet. Okay, but you guys know that could change. CAD yen, beautiful short, guys. Right, great trades. Now these trades developed for what, a couple of days, I think. Yeah, 2 days. Excuse me. So CAD yen buy signal here on a break of this resistance, broke support, purple support and resistance, white arrow here, close the trade. So bought here, sold here. You guys can see the blue dotted line here, close the trade. CAD yen, great trade there. Good pips. Dollar yen, another good trade, guys. Buy signal here, right? Nicely done in the markup phase. Sell signal right here. We're never going to get the very bottom. We'll never get the very top, all right? We want the middle part of the trade, the meat of the trade, right? We called it. Okay, so bought here, sold here, close the trade, please. All right, USD JPY. HKD JPY, another good trade, guys. Look at the yen pairs, right? Great trade. All right, buy signal here on the 60-minute time frame. They're still holding on the 240 though. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance. If resistance, guys, if you're using your system and resistance isn't clear, right, just bring in your horizontal lines, okay, and just line them up. Resistance here. Our buy signal came in right here. Perfect. Okay, so just make sure if it doesn't line up, bring in your horizontal line to make it line up. All right, buy signal here. Mark down, mark up, sell signal here. Now it's in the markdown phase. Okay, HKD JPY, good trade there, guys. Good trade. All right, Swiss yen, another beautiful trade. Same thing here. All right, bring in your lines and make this a habit. If you trade in monster scalper, guys, always bring in. It just makes it so much easier. All right. All right, here are your lines, your resistance lines here. Buy signal here on a perfect break of resistance right here. Good trade in here. Red candle, white arrow, sell signal. Close the trade, please. Okay, great trade. Guys, we should not be complaining, all right, that we do not have trades. When you guys do your coaching, you know, I'm not easy on you guys. If you, especially when we've had trades like this, if you guys are not in these trades, all right, I know they don't all perform like this, but when we have runs like this, we want to be in those trades, okay? And we've been calling the dollar and the yen pairs for weeks now, all right? SGD JPY, buy signal here on a break of this resistance, buy signal right here, sell signal, broke support, red candle, sell signal right here, white arrow, close the trade. Please follow your systems. ZAR yen, all right? Difficult pair to trade, but it performed really well, all right? Broke resistance here, all right? Here's your resistance, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade. Please, ZAR yen. All right, TRY JPY, another difficult pair to trade, but I did really well in Monster Scalper. Let's take a look. All right, so broke resistance right here, buy signal here, failed here before and failed here. This time, guys, worked out. Buy signal here, right, white arrow, sell signal, close the trade, please. TRY JPY. NZD JPY, and it's not bad to close these trades, right? Set up, wait for the next move. NZD JPY, buy signal here on a break of this resistance, red candle, sell signal, close the trade. You could also have gotten out here also, okay? NZD JPY. Aussie yen, buy signal here, sell signal right here, close the trade. Sellers are coming in, okay? Close the trade, please. All right, HKD JPY. So we are out of longs on the 60-minute in Monster Scalper. Let's take a look at the 240, and hopefully they're holding firm on the 240. Don't be afraid to do both. All right, trade the 240 and the 60. We can do that. All right. All right, long positions in Monster Scalper on the 240-minute time frame. That's the trading window. All right, again, no shorts. We don't have any shorts, all longs right now. All right, USD MXN. All right, buy signal here. Sell signal here, red candle, close the trade, please. USD MXN. USD DKK, all right. Great trade here, guys. Look at this. Buy signal all the way down here on the 240. Amazing trade. Here we are right at resistance. We've got a white candle here. That's the dollar pair. Let's take a look at the dollar index again. Let's see here. Dollar index is holding. We'll hold this one for now. It does have a white candle here, and it is at resistance. So if you guys are trading it on the 240, you want to take profits, that's certainly fine, because this is where sellers are sitting right here. So we don't want this to happen. We'll hold it for now, but boy, if you got in here and you scaled up, you got a great trade here, you might just want to take profits, close the trade, okay? Because, you know, it might close soon, but boy, it can certainly break through also, but I'll take some profits there. All right, USD DKK, we'll leave it for now. USD SEK, buy signal here, holding firm. Dollar Swiss, all right, buy signal here, and it's right at that resistance level right here. Again, white candles coming in here. It is consolidating. Hopefully it breaks through, make another leg higher, okay? USD Swiss, we'll leave it for now. Yen pairs, all right, CAD yen, buy signal here, holding. Dollar yen, all right, buy signal here, all green candles, holding. Purple support and resistance there. Keep an eye on it. HKD JPY, buy signal here, holding. Swiss yen, buy signal, holding. ZAR yen, buy signal here, white candle. We've got good support. It's held support. This is reaccumulation trade right here. And hopefully it tests the high here, keeps moving higher. Right now, it looks like we've got higher lows forming here. So there, I know it's hard to see, but these candles are moving higher, okay? So right here, we can tell they are moving higher here, okay? So for now, nothing to do. So that's ZAR yen, SGD, JPY, Singapore dollar yen. Buy signal here, all the way up here. Pound yen. Pound yen. All right, same thing here. Buy signal here, holding. Need to move higher. TRY, JPY. Buy signal here, and that's holding. All righty. Let's bring this here. All right. And then New Zealand yen, NZD, JPY. Boy, that's a difficult trade there. Hold on. This trade looked really good yesterday, right? Right, it was approaching resistance here, looking to break through, retraced, but it's still in play. All right, let's do this right here. So hopefully it forms a triangle right here, right? Kind of gather itself in here and then break out, okay? All right, Mohammed, Euro yen, give me a time frame, please. I'll take a look at it. So Euro yen, give me a time frame, and long or short. All right, so give me a time frame, whether it's a 1 hour, right? 240, 30, long or short. So Euro, JPY. So give me that, please, and I'll take a look. Okay, thanks. All right, New Zealand yen. All right, that's holding. Again, we need that to, right, form a triangle right in here, gather itself, and then break out. 60 minute, okay. So, okay. And I'm assuming long. All right, so nothing to change on those, okay? On the 240. And okay. So 60 minute. Okay, I'll get to that. Let's do that right now for you. All right, so euro yen 60 minute. All right, so euro yen 60 minute, it's in the markup phase. So a good way to set these trades up on a 60 minute right here, right? We're in the markup phase. We've had 2 buy signals already. So your markup phase, that's your trend, okay? All right, so check this out here. So that's your accumulation phase. We broke out. We got a buy signal here that failed. We got another buy signal here that got a sell signal on this support level here when it broke. Now we've got, look here. If you wanted to get in, we would need a couple of things to happen, right? So you can, right? We would wait for a buy signal. We could get a buy signal in 2 areas. All right. Previous support becomes resistance. The price is currently here. We know it's trending up. All right. So made a bottom here. Look, it's trending up. All right. Previous support becomes resistance. We have resistance here. We have a white candle here. Right. We get some buyers to come in. Green candles move higher. Near-term resistance is right about here. But anywhere in here, we could get a buy signal. If it doesn't happen, we could get a buy signal here on a break of resistance right here. So on the 60-minute time frame, Mohammed, we would just wait. All right. So we would wait for buyers to come in. All right. No shorting. All right. No shorting here. All right. We're definitely moving higher. All right. Based on right now, right, we're moving higher. It's holding the trend line. We just need buyers to come in, break through that resistance level, and then move higher. If it doesn't happen here, it will definitely happen up here. Okay, so we wait. All right. All right. All right. Let's go back to, thanks for the question. All right. Forex dominator. Forex dominator, guys. Forex dominator. Long. And it's good to see Forex dominator trading well on the daily time frame. Finally, right? Finally, we've got good trades going in Forex dominator. Okay. We'll take a look at equities also. Make sure these stocks are holding because of the selling we've had this week. All right, USD CZK. All right, buy signal here, holding firm. USD HUF, look at that, guys, on the daily time frame. Lots of pips there. I know you guys don't want to trade on the daily time frame, but you can always park some capital in that daily time frame, okay? All right, USD HUF, buy signal here, breaking through that resistance. All right, good trade going there. USD DKK, look at the price action, guys. Good markdown phase, buy signal, moving up nicely there. Finally, we've got some trades. USD SGD, look at the setup here. Really good markdown phase. What a good V, huh? All right, markdown phase. All right, here we are. Buy signal moving nicely there. Target right at this resistance where we have a ton of sellers here. Okay, so good target here. It makes it up here, guys. That's about 500 pips there. All right, not a bad setup. SEK, USD SEK, buy signal here, target all the way up here. USD PLN. I know this one is hard to see here. Buy signal here, moving up nicely, target all the way up here. Dollar Swiss. These are the dollar pairs. Good markdown phase, buy signal, taking its time to move higher. We have a target all the way up here. Dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. Buy signal here, breaking that resistance here. All right, dollar pairs are holding firm, guys. All right, now yen pairs, we are hoping that the yen pairs really move higher. Okay, so CAD yen in Forex dominator, daily time frame, good markdown phase, buy signal here, moving nicely. And what's really good about these yen pairs, guys, they've coming out of a deep, really deep markdown phase. Okay, so dollar CAD yen, dollar yen, look here. All right, those are beautiful setups, guys. Buy signal here, moving higher. HKD JPY, look at that. Really good markdown phase. Look at the previous buy signal, guys, okay? And this will, if they run, that's for lots of pips. All right, the hard thing is staying in these trades because they're on the daily time frame. Swiss yen buy signal here, getting ready to break through that resistance here, hopefully. All right, SGD JPY, another beautiful trade, moving up nicely. Again, look at the previous trade there. Euro yen. All right, so Euro yen, let's draw it out. All right, mark down, mark up. All right, early buy signal right here, target. Bring in your targets, okay? Don't leave these trades open. Bring in your target. If it breaks through, fine, all right? But we want to frame these trades, all right? So we stay with them. Euro yen. Pound yen. Hey, Antonio, welcome, Antonio, welcome. Antonio did a great job today in coaching. Good job, Antonio. All right, so pound yen, a good markdown phase, buy signal here, green candles moving up nicely there, okay? All right, that's pound yen, and we love to see pound yen move. Very choppy under 60, even under 240, very choppy, but look at the daily, guys. Holding firm on the daily, okay? That's pound yen, ZAR yen, all right, we said ZAR yen. Your Turkish pair, TRY, JPY, look at this. Good markdown phase, we're moving higher there, okay? New Zealand yen, all right? Consolidating here a bit, but no major concern yet, okay? Let's move this. New Zealand yen, Aussie yen, the last one here. All right, buys here. All right. Thanks, Antonio. Thank you. All right. That's it for Forex. Okay, guys? That's it for Forex. Again, no shorts. The euro pairs, pound pairs, still nothing there, guys. So you might find a trade here and there, but overall, just stay away from those pairs for now, okay? Euro and pound pairs. Now, stock boss, let's go through those. Now, you guys know that the IWM, right, the Russell is back again, right? That index is back below resistance. All right, so that's slowing a bit. We only have 42 stocks in heat seeker today, 42. That's not a lot, okay? So as we go through these stocks in Stock Boss, we might notice that some of these stocks might close, okay? So let's go through these. And we want to be ready for anything, guys, right now, okay? It's an election year. The markets has been at all-time high. So I'm not saying that things will correct, but, you know, when the buying slows down, we want to pay attention. When that VIX starts moving higher, near 20, we want to pay attention, okay? All right, we don't want to load up on stocks and then the market really comes down. All right, so LAAC holding firm so far, nicely in the markdown phase. All right, FFWM, that's holding. I'll go through this quickly here. All we're looking for, guys, are red candles. This one looks good. Red candles or sell signals, okay? White candles will hold for now. MGNT, red candle. All right, so buy signal was at 379 in Stock Boss. Close today at 360, red candle. Look at that. Big red candle, guys. Look what happens when we see when sellers come in. These red candles are not good, so we've got to close the trade. MXN, X, close the trade, please. All right, holding, 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 holding. All right, T, even if you don't trade stocks, right, this price action works the same for any instrument, okay, guys? So we can use the same process to trade any market. So even if you don't trade equities, right, same thing, okay? TDOC, red candle here, buy signal was at 9:59. Red candle came in, closed today at 860, closed the trade again. We don't want this to happen, right? Don't wait for the sellers to really come in that markdown phase, right? Keeps breaking support, redistribution. We don't want that. First sign of sellers coming in, close the trade. Take your loss, okay? Take that first loss. It will always be your best loss, okay? All right. This one here, holding. Holding, buyers are in, holding for now. WW, red candle here, all right, close the trade. All right, so buy signal was right here, 108. Close today at 104, close the trade again. We don't want this to happen, guys. So the first sign of a red candle or a sell signal, close the trade, get out. There are more opportunities, other opportunities, okay? Don't stay in. All right, that selling can get worse. So WW, close the trade, please. All right, AMPX, holding. All right, holding. HCAT, red candle. Buy signal was at 817. It's really struggled, guys. Right, 778, close today. Red candle, again. I can't say this enough. Look at this. All right. That price from here, right, if we didn't get out here, right, which was a buy signal at 1275, sell signal came in right here at 1222. Take that loss. Okay, that price fell all the way down to 721. Okay, so take that loss. Red candle coming in, those are sellers. Get out. Take the loss. Okay, it's not personal. All right, ULCC, buy signal here. Good stock hold going here. Good markdown phase. Look at that. Even better markup phase. Boy, wish we could have this every single time, right? Good setup here. Good trade. And the last one in Stock Boss, NEXT, right? Holding firm. Good trade going here. Early in the trade. Here is your markdown phase. All right. All right. That's why we go through this when we do your coaching, right? So that when we get live in the market, right? We've done this, we've practiced. All right, target all the way up here, okay? So that's Stock Boss. The one concern is we've closed a few stocks in Stock Boss. Okay, so things are definitely slowing. No surprise there with the Russell, guys, coming down a bit. Bull Master, let's take a look here. So large caps in Bull Master. Most of these will have reaccumulation trades, okay? So hold it. Again, we're looking for red candles, okay? Red candles or sell signals. Holding. All right, CARR, car. All right, buy signal was here on a break of this resistance, gap down, red candle, close the trade. So the buy signal, guys, when it gaps down like this at the open, red candle, there's nothing we can do, right? Just close it, right? Trade's over. All right, buy signal was at 70.07. Sell signal came in today at 72.90. Close the trade. Okay, so call, close the trade, please. Holding, 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 gap up, good. Holding, holding. We'll go through this quickly. Holding, holding. Got about 10 minutes. Holding, holding. All right, FIVE, right? We have a red candle came in yesterday, guys, right here. Close the trade. Red candle here, right? No guarantees that, you know, it will move down like this, but we want to take that, right? Take precaution, right? So sellers are coming in, right? Close the trade, and we are near a support level here. We have a little bit of support here, right here. So close the trade. FIVE. All right, that's holding. Most of the trades in Bull Master should hold. They should be stronger trades than Stock Boss, okay? So they should hold up much better. All right, good price action there. Hold in. Good price action. Hold in. Good price. Gapped up. Good price action. Hold in. NMRA. Guys, red candles, 2 days of selling, all right? So buy signal was at 13.36. Red candle closed today at 13. Close the trade. This is what could happen, so we should be out. All right, small losses, big wins is what we want, okay? We want these trends to continue. When they're profitable, cut those losses quickly when we are done, or when the trade is done. Buy signal here came in at 122 on a break of resistance here, right? Make sure you bring in your horizontal line. All right, right here. All right, buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Red candle, gap down, sell signal, close the trade. So the buy signal came in right at 122. Sell signal came in right at 136, closed at 133 or so, closed the trade, okay? PHM. Notice no emotions, guys. We just follow the process, follow the process, all right? Holding, 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 holding. VITL, look at the previous trade, guys. Buy signal here, sold here. See, sellers came in, right? We were looking for another run here. Buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please. So if we bring in our V, we were looking for a reaccumulation trade here. All right. So that broke its trend line right here. Red candle, sell signal. We need to be out. All right. All right. Where are we? Right here. Almost done. Holding, holding. WY, guys, this is concerning. We are having stocks closed. WY, buy signal here. All right, previous, this is a little tricky here for new traders, okay? So it broke resistance here, all right? Now it went up far enough up here where resistance becomes support, okay? So previous resistance becomes support on the downside, okay? So we got a sell signal, broke support, sell signal, your white arrow here, red candles, we should be out. So the buy signal was at 32, closed today right at around 32. Okay, so about a break-even trade there. So WY closed the trade. Okay, remember, previous resistance becomes support on the way down. All right, Z. All right, buy signal here, red candle, close the trade. Please, buy signal here. Red candle, close the trade. That's Z. Another one, ZG. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance. red candle, sell signal, close the trade. Take your profits, even if it's a small profit. Take your loss, even if it's a small loss or a large loss. Okay, follow the process. ZIP, guys, red candle here, close the trade. All right, that's it for Bullmaster. Now, Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. And we haven't been adding a lot in either of these systems because of just the breadth of the market. Not a lot of, these indexes are making new highs, but right, we should have more stocks moving higher. Amazon here, guys, Amazon, we had a red candle here. We got back in. We're still holding for now, Amazon. All right, that looks good. Good price action here. This is Bullmaster Pro. Carver looks really good, guys. Look at Carver. Keeps moving higher. Big white candle here. We'll keep an eye on that. Reaccumulation trade there. Really good trade here. It's been trading well. Look at this. Just really good. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Buy signal here. We need buyers to come on back in. We need some green candles to move higher there, okay? That's holding. All right, HWKN sell signal. Okay, so buy signal. All right, so buy signal came in right on the break of resistance, reaccumulation trades, all right? Reaccumulation. All right, buy signal here, failed. Previous resistance becomes support, broke support, red candle, sell signal. Close the trade, please. All right, Meta, Facebook, all right. Buy signal here, sell signal. Close the trade, please. That's too bad. It's a MAG 7. All right, MOD, buy signal here. Previous resistance becomes support. Sell signal here. Close the trade, please. All right. A lot of times after we close these trades, we look back and we're happy that we closed the trades, right? Royal Caribbean looks good. 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 All right, VITL. We looked at this one in Bullmaster. It's in Bullmaster Pro also. Buy signal, red candles, close the trade, please. All right. All right, VRT, that's holding right here, okay. So, we had markets have been down this week. So that's not too surprising, but we to have buy signals on all of these indexes, stocks should be holding, all right? They should hold. All right, especially on the daily time frame, they should hold. Okay, so that's a concern. Not a major concern yet, but that's a concern. Remember, the VIX is at 19, guys. The VIX get to 20, right? Alarms. We've got to sound the alarm, right? When the VIX right here, it's at 19, it gets at 20, so it's really close to that. All right, so just be careful with equities. The US 30 or US 30 traders, we didn't call a short, right? If you guys took the short, good job, all right? So, great short today, so short right here, all red candles, good short here. Just be careful, right? I know that's the 60-minute time frame. You guys trade on the smaller time frame, but, that short happened because of this. But what could happen, we can see buyers come in. Yes, the market has been weak, okay, but it's still in the markup phase. And what we could see buyers come in, right here, bounce up that trend line. So here's your low. This is where it bounced before. It can certainly bounce up here again, right? Recapture your moving average, get a green candle, and all of a sudden, that short is being squeezed, okay? So just be careful, and this is when they will come in a violent way. I mean, buyers could come in really, really strong, where you see an up there on the Dow, a big up there, kind of like these candles here. Okay, so we're not in a bearish market. So you could see sellers come in, just like here. Sellers come in, and then buyers come back in a big way. That short got squeezed there. Okay, all right. So, all right, even here, see here, shorts, buyers came in a big way. Shorts, buyers came in. Look at this, guys. Big candles here. So we have to be very, very careful taking these shorts. That's why we didn't call that short. Okay, be very, very careful. All right, and you know these buyers, they could be. I mean, this is a great buy setting up here. I mean, we're near support here, especially, boy, if it can go lower, right? That short signal get lower to support. You could see big buyers come in, push that price right up. Okay, so if you guys shorted this on the smaller time frame, take your profits, be done, and you know, look for longs. Okay, on the long system, let's see here. So on the long side, still holding its buy signal. Right, bring in your lines right about here, and just wait for those buyers to come in. Okay. All right, and move it all the way back up here. On the NAS 100, all right, nothing here. All right, on the S&P, all right, nothing here, guys. All right, so just wait for those longs to come in on the E-minis, okay? I want to make sure that we're not missing anything, because you guys won't see me until Sunday. I want to make sure. So I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, we covered Bitcoin, crypto. All right. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead. We're trying to boost the likes, so go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so moving forward, let's try to do more of that. Okay, they're telling me that we're not doing. All right, enough of that. So if you guys would, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on Sunday. If you guys need to reach me, you guys know how to reach me. Send me an email, text me, all right, or go on the website. And I'll see you guys on Sunday. All right, so see you guys on Sunday. Take care, good trading. As far as Monster Scalper, guys, we don't have anything right now. Okay, so we've closed all those trades. Hopefully, you guys got an opportunity to trade the yen pairs long. Those were great trades. All right, so should have taken some profits, and now wait. All right, wait for the next move. All right, guys. All right, take care. Thanks for coming. Thanks for your questions. All right, thanks for your questions. And I'll see you guys on Sunday, and see you guys on your coaching sessions also. Okay, take care, guys. Bye-bye.